It is important to note that Africa is a diverse continent with significant variance among its countries. Some African nations have made notable progress in areas such as economic development, governance, and poverty reduction. Efforts are being made at a regional, nation, and international level to address these challenges and promote sustainable development in Africa. The question of why Africa is characterized by widespread poverty is complex and multifaceted and is not be attributed to a single factor. It involves a combination of historical, political, economic, and social factors that have contributed to the current situation. There are some key factors that help to explain the challenges faced by many African countries. Number one is political instability and conflict. Many African countries have experienced political instability, corruption, and armed conflict. This factor undermine governance, create social unrest, and hinder economic development. Wars and civil conflict divert resources away from development initiatives and result in the displacement of people, exacerbating poverty. Number two is colonial legacy. Africa has a history of colonization during which European powers exploited the country's resources and established a system that benefited the colonial powers at the expense of the local population. The legacy has long-lasting effect on Africa's development and continue to impact the region today. The next is economic factors. Africa faces various economic challenges, including limited access to capital, inadequate infrastructure, and dependence on primary commodity export. The global economic system often disadvantages African countries, making it difficult for them to compete on a level playing field. Additionally, inadequate distribution of wealth, income disparities, and lack of economic diversification contribute to poverty. Next is environmental challenges. Africa is susceptible to environmental issues such as droughts, desertification, deforestation, and inadequate water resources. These challenges after agricultural productivity, food security, and livelihoods of millions of people, particularly in rural areas. Next is limited access to education and healthcare. Inadequate access to quality of education and healthcare perpetuates the cycle of poverty in Africa. Education is crucial for human capital development, while healthcare services are essential for reducing disease burden and improving productivity. The last is population growth. Africa has experienced a significant population growth, which presents both opportunities and challenges. Rapid population growth can strain resources, infrastructure, and social services, making it difficult to provide for the basic needs of the population. Thanks for watching.